So today we are presenting our Leading Championship Teams online program, and we're all sort of set up here and ready for the Indonesia-Australia Skills Exchange. And we've got around about 200 businesses joining us from Indonesia online. So it should be a heap of fun, and we're hoping the tech goes really smooth. And we're sort of going to dive into the Lencioni 5 behaviours of a cohesive team will be the model we'll use, and then the solution we'll look at is Everything Disc Katalis and how we might use that in our ways of working or our Everything Disc online program. It's a really cool way to experience DISC because you're experiencing it as a group. Predominantly DISC is something which you're using as an individual, me leading myself, leading the team, then leading the business. Except when we do it as a team online, we're really focusing on how we can bring the whole team in and use it as like a team toolkit for team dynamics. And the Everything Disc Katalis platform is really, really good. I think it's really worth exploring for your team. But we'll have some more clips after this for the webinar, and hoping all the tech goes really well. Really excited to be beaming live into Indonesia this morning.